TOPZEE sent me their compact air fryer that is pretty cool. Very nice with quite a lot of presettings like fries, fish, steak, even meatballs, so you don't have to wonder how long you have to cook them. It's small, probably for one person, non-stick, and what's great is that you can wash it in the dishwasher. So of course I had to try it by making fries, set that up, selected the fry setting, and after 18 minutes I got perfectly crispy fries. I also tried to make crispy mushrooms, so I breaded them, put them there, same thing on the fry setting, 18 minutes 400, and as you will see the result was very good. Of course I put a little bit of oil in it. Last I tried to make salmon. That's the classic dish people try with their air fryer. I set it in the fish selection 360 degrees 14 minutes and the result was fantastic.